If reading is what you're not needing, then this summary with Jessica will really be helpful to you. Before you read this article down below, you can watch this video and it'll give you a quick rundown of what it's about. If you're feeling buried under credit cards, personal loans, or medical bills, you're not alone. And if you own a home, you might be sitting on one of the most powerful financial tools you have, your equity. A lot of homeowners don't realize this, but tapping into home equity when it's done wisely can create the kind of breathing room most people desperately need. Here's the simple idea. Your mortgage rate is usually way lower than the interest you're paying on credit cards or personal debt. So instead of juggling high interest balances, you can roll everything into one manageable payment. That might be through a cash out refinance, a home equity loan with a fixed rate, or a HELOC if you need something more flexible. But it's important to understand the trade-offs. Using equity can simplify your finances and lower your monthly stress. But your home becomes the collateral. If payments aren't handled carefully, the risk goes up. And if spending habits don't change, you can end up right back where you started. So the real question isn't just, can you use home equity to pay off debt? It's whether it's the right move for your situation. If you want help comparing your options, running the numbers, or exploring alternatives like selling, refinancing, or debt relief, KEES Homes is here to walk you through every step. Reach out anytime. We'll help you choose the path that actually gives you your life back.